So I'm on a 650 dozer this morning. I'm going to try to do a short quick video on how to load a new job or new project into the dozer system and how to check it with the tablet. So this is the system that we're using. It's a Leica GPS system. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to put my tablet into the my flash drive into the tablet, and as you can see, it has prompted to open up the flash drive. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go right here to the in folder. I'm going to double tap it. This project test here is what we're going to install. The final pond bottom is already in this machine. What I've done is I've thrown a few DXF files and one localization file into this project, just so that I can show you how to load this onto the dozer and try to make it as simple as possible, and also how to try to show you how to toggle back and forth between each one of these models to make it really easy for you. So now we're just going to remove the flash drive and put it in the dozer. Once you insert it, your flash drive, you're going to go here to Tools. From Tools, you can notice that you got several different things, but all you need is data transfer. Once you get the data transfer, then you're going to go USB sync. Working on it. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Sometimes it does though. So once it pops up this, what you want to do is just click always, use specified action, and hit yes, because what it's wanting to do is it's wanting to copy every job, and it's okay to do that because it's going to refresh every job that you've got with any new models or anything of that nature. As you can see here, it's putting all the new projects in that are on this flash drive and rewriting old ones that may have new data on them. So it says it's 100%. So now we're just going to click OK. We're going to remove our flash drive. We're going to back out of here. Get back to this screen. Now we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to, we're not on our test project. So the first thing we need to do is go to Project. We need to find our test project, which is probably down here closer to the bottom. Project Test. Go here, go to Settings, Surface. Now you can see over here, we want to add, and we want to add this model. So now we have two models in that job. This check you'll see later here in just a second, and you'll also see what I do with these eyes to make them turn on and off the models. So we're going to back up. I'm going to go to localization, to see what my localization is and what it's running on to make sure it's loaded and correct. My project test, 650 dozer, everything looks good here. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to grade. It automatically pulls up one of the models. Well, that model, you can't see it because that model is over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to go to Configure Model. If you notice, the little green check's there. So if I turn that little green check off and I put it on this model, now you can see that model, and that's the model that it's actually going to run off of when it's checking its grade. So you can go back to Tools, Configure Model, turn it back onto the vault bottom, Complete, turn this on. Now you can see it again. There it is. If you want to see both of them but only want to run off of one, the green check indicates which one your geosystem is going to run off of. But you can select both of these eyes, and as you can see now on your screen, you can see both of them to see where you're at. That's the quick and easy way that you can go off of this. If you've got two of them, one thing about it is you can never select more than one geosystem to run off of. Let me know if there's any more information that you need or anything that's missing.